You say that for now the borders are closed, but soon the Indian government will allow products to be shipped abroad. So the question is there a priority to distribute the drugs in India before shipping abroad?
Yeah, for India, that Indian government has banned 26 products. 26 products, those products which are indirectly or directly used in a treatment of this COVID-19 is banned for export. So these 26 products will not be export from India since the next instruction from government. But other than these 26 products that manufacturers will start to export from this 20th April or after the next instruction from the government. But these essential drugs which we are using in treatment of COVID-19, that we can say that one of the known drug, hydroxychloroquine, is banned to export from India.